Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju. I'm a 20K Senior Executive President Team member from Herbalife India, working for last 18 years. It's my pleasure to present this video on leadership. Particularly, the leadership is to do with our business. Particularly, everything. When you are a leader, it affects your number of customers, it affects your number of associates, it affects your first line supervisor, first line associates, it affects your royalties. Everything depends on your leadership. It's not that you become leader, you become president team first and then become leader. No. First you have to become leader first, then if you have the leadership qualities, that makes you to go for get team and millennium team and president team. So much is the importance of leadership. So now I'm going to present with you this presentation on leadership qualities, particularly with reference to Herbalife, right? So this will be of great use for you. So I wanted to present to you this information about why leadership and what is leadership exactly, how to improve ourselves and where exactly we can able to work. So let me present this presentation for you. Okay. So okay, right. So leader is one who is followed by many followers. Leader and followers there will be. So if there are no followers, that means you are only walking. Okay, you are just walking. There is so the one of the main important factor of leader is somebody have to follow. So that means if nobody is following, that means you are not a leader, correct? So leader is being followed. And if you see many leaders like Narendra Modi, or if you go to any important chief ministers and politicians, Sonia Gandhi or anyone, Rajiv Gandhi, there are some followers. So lead by example. Always you go by personal example. So you become like a model example. So in terms of personal productivity, in terms of first lines, in terms of royalties, in terms of qualifying for vacations, everything you do first, then your team will do. So personal productivity creates personal momentum. You are like a engine in a train, like how the engine takes entire bogies, correct? Same way, leader is the organization driving force. If you are not a driving force, so means everything starts and ends with you. It is not that somebody does then you do it. No, first you have to do it, then your team will does this, right? So your team will do, then first you have to do it. So leadership principles of building relations is, these are the number one: ethics and integrity, conscience and modesty and positive attitude. If you don't have this ethics and integrity and conscience and modesty and humbleness, positive attitude, you generally you are not a great leader. You may be leader but not a great leader. So that is nothing to do with a herbal life, nor with the marketing plan, nor with the product. To do with you, your growth, your personal development. So that's why I have to change myself. I have to be like a ethical leader. I have to be integrity, having integrity and modesty and humbleness, all this. So if I were really a leader, I have to take initiative and take responsibility for everything. Who has to conduct the meetings? I have to conduct. Who has to lead the event? I have to. So who has to qualify for bigger royalties, vacations, and VIP seating? Everything myself. So I have to take initiative and I have to take responsibility for qualifying. Leader does not look for someone to blame, but takes responsibility and looks for solutions. So leader is the one who never blames the circumstances. So we from Jim Rohn says, don't blame the circumstances, blame it on yourself. For things to change, we need to change. For things to become better, we need to be better. Correct. So we have to take responsibility for everything. Leader means responsibility, right? Though there is a lot of power, lot of big checks are there, but you shouldn't blame someone for every fault, every failure. You have to take responsibility. If team is not growing, you should be responsible. If incomes are not growing of the team, you are responsible. Nobody is moving up, you are responsible. So leader is always followed. As I said earlier, if you are not a leader, then nobody will be following you. So sometimes against one's will, everybody will follow. Whether they like it or not, followers will follow you. A leader is always positive. Nobody wants to follow a negative leader. Always he gives a positive assurance to people. So leader is always positive, meaning he never talks about negative things. For example, if a company says you got to qualify for this, is he will not say, let me see, I don't think it can qualify. He has to first try. He has to first qualify. Everything you have to do. Leader creates equal conditions for everybody. So he shouldn't give like partiality treatment, and he shouldn't put himself like a boss. He's not a big boss. He's like a first among equals. He actually partnered with other leaders and mutual have the give and take approach, mutual respect, and leaders promote each other in the organization. and my downline also I promoted, they also promote me. That's how it works out. And leader controls his own ego. So once you become big, ego also shouldn't become big. Ego should be under control, because ego actually kills our business. A true leader is always, you don't give so much scope for pride, and pride is the main thing for fall. So once you have become arrogant, pride actually makes you many leaders to fall. Leaders work together as part of the city growth, right? And the leader sees always several steps ahead. So leader always looks at the vision, longer vision. So he looks at next, what is going to happen next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, how the company is taking us. Suppose everybody wants to take going for exercises, so you have to do whether you like it or not, fitness, right? So everybody is going for social media, let us go for social media, because this is how the company going ahead. See the trends, company shows the trend, so you have to follow that. And always see the context, and you have to move according to the context, according to circumstances. Always look at the big picture. Okay, how things can happen. Don't see today, see tomorrow how the company go to 1 billion, 2 billion. So you will also have to take your team accordingly, how the business is growing, how the consumption is growing. Accordingly you have to make a steps, right? Make your steps. When evaluating the situation, leaders manifest objectivity and avoids bias based on personal interest. You don't see only personal. Yes, he has to grow, personal interests are required, but it is like a you grow, I grow. It's like a servant leadership. Yes, I serve many people, that's how I want to become number one. There is no problem in not becoming number one. You can become number one, you can become rich, but at the service of many people, not at the expense of the people, correct? Not by killing people, but developing everyone. That's how you grow, they grow, we also grow, by serving many people. That's called servant leadership. Leader knows how to resolve problematic situations. When the problems come, the leader is always the person looked up to, right? So leaders always try to resolve the situation, resolve the problems. Leader does not spread rumors. Himself, he don't spread rumors, nor he don't encourage rumors. If somebody talks about gossiping, he says, bye, this is not the work. So let us focus, mind our business. Leader does not react, he always checks the facts before reacting. Before talking, before taking any step, he has to verify the facts, then he has to move ahead. So he cannot depend only by rumors or hearsay. He shouldn't react. Actually, it is supposed to respond to the situation, not react to the situation. In Herbalife, leader takes care of his appearance and does his best to lose weight and quit smoking and lead an active life. In Herbalife, we are the health coaches, wellness coaches. So we always try to maintain our posture, maintain our body properly, right? Once you are like a wellness coach, you are supposed to maintain yourself, take care of your health first, and remove that in extra belly fat and whatever, wherever fat is there. And you shouldn't smoke, because we promote good lifestyle, we don't promote bad lifestyle. And we also promote active life, means exercise and fitness, we promote it. Meaning you personally are supposed to do exercise, right? Active life, you cannot be like passive life, leading all the time, become like a couch potato. A leader is loyal to the company, the people, and the product. So when somebody is asking any questions, we are the one to defend the company and protect the company, protect the image of the company also. So protect our people against enemies, external enemies and internal enemies. Leader is focused on duplication. So one should become two, two should become four, correct? That's called duplication. So in the business, always you got to focus on duplication, meaning first lines. Many first line supervisors should be there, right? And leaders takes care of the brand, so he has to protect, he has to take care of the Herbalife brand. So because of you, we shouldn't get any bad reputation. So because of our team, because of your team, Herbalife should not get bad reputation. So we have to defend and protect, we have to promote the brand. Leader talks and acts in a way that gives no cause for criticism. So we are always try to be as much neutral as we can. Leader means reliability and predictability. We should not involve controversies. We should be reliable and predictable. Meaning, if you say so and so time the meeting starts, you got to be there. If you say so and so time is the ending time, you got to. Reliability and predictability is the important criteria for a trust. When the leader loses the trust, followers loses trust on the leadership, naturally they don't follow, and that affect your royalties, that affect your business. Leaders is the goal and does not deviate from it. Always his goal is to take people, his people and himself to go to next level. Always president team, chairman's club, founder circle, always looks at the goal oriented, because we did not come for time pass. We did not come to watch movies. We came for certain purpose. So our purpose is to go to our serve many people, as many customers, as many distributors, as many associates possible. And leaders develop leaders. Leaders don't develop followers. Followers don't have the strength. So the leaders only develop leaders, the true leaders, the tigers and lions like you. And you don't become a primitive leader, become a true leader. Who is primitive leader? Who is a true leader? Primitive leader is self-focused. True leader develops independent leaders like you. And primitive leader suppresses others. True leader promotes others. Primitive leader does not trust people. A true leader trusts people and delegates the topics and responsibility to other people downline, so that he sees that downline also grows alongside of him. So primitive leader is personal interest above all, so his interests are more important for him. But true leader puts the interest of the business team and the city above all. So leader always promote the sponsor. Many people I have seen, they promote Marcus. They say thank you Marcus, but they forget to mention about their own sponsor, which is very sad. So they should supposed to thank sponsor each and everywhere, right? Yes, Marcus, you have to thank. Yes, you have to thank Jimron, but you have to thank your sponsor also. If you don't thank sponsor, then who will thank? Because of sponsor you came, correct? So yes, companies from created by Marcus and Jimron, you have to thank them definitely. But who has given you the immediate benefit? The sponsor, correct? Sometimes sponsors may be knowledgeable, may not be knowledgeable, but they given you love and care. They given you that direction. So whether you like them or don't like them, you got to respect your appliance and sponsors. You may have many teachers, but you have only one father, correct? So many there are no fathers, only one father, one daddy for you. There could be many teachers, many trainers. So just because you are following other DMO doesn't mean you shouldn't respect your sponsor. Very important. Sponsor always respect. Then when you sponsor, respect your sponsor, your downlines also respect you. Leaders always promote the sponsor. Leader is not afraid to tell the world he is the leader and to start acting accordingly. So always everywhere you say, I am the Herbalife, I am from Herbalife. So that means you are actually telling, in spite of crisis, when the situations go against you, but still in the marketplace you are standing tall, right? So leader demonstrate a positive attitude and knows how to separate wheat from darnel. Means you are the real person. You are not a darnel. You are not like a stuff. You are not like a unwanted stuff. You are the main leader, main diamond. So you always stand tall in the marketplace. You always positive. You give encouragement to your organization. Leader's primary concern are distributor interests and not his own interests. So they are his interests, meaning when you help your downlines, you serve them with servant attitude. Naturally you become great at the service of the many people. Okay, naturally they lift, it will be Herbalife marketing plan lift you up to next level. So when you take care of your first lines, when you take care of your 3 levels, royalties swell up. Naturally you go to next level. Your income increases, power increases, position increases, everything increases, respect increases. So recognition increases. So that's the reason why take care of your people, serve them well in the marketplace. Definitely they're very promising, they will pay you. Okay, leader is always ready to help. So don't become lazy and say I'm not busy, I'm busy, I am not in town, all that. Don't give excuses. Whenever situation comes, crisis comes, be ready to help. A leader takes into account the level of the audience during the training and adapts the material accordingly. So when we prepare the training, prepare for the training for of your downline, just look at the audience levels. If they are customers, you only give little only health point of view. Don't talk about business. Or if they require, talk about little about business, so much that they can become coaches. If they're associate, talk about how to become supervisors, how to go to next level, and basic things required as associate. If they're supervisors, I'll teach them how to go to next level. So you prepare every training literature according to their standard, according to their kind of requirement. So leader leads his organization at each event. Leaders begins preparation for the next event the moment it was announced. When company says this is the next event, when your upline says this is the next event, prepare next 90 days. Prepare, this is leadership retreat, this is extravaganza, this is spectacular. Prepare for the events. So event to event planning is very important. There is always light around the leader, even in darkness. In spite of darkness outside, but looking at you, there is a hope. You are the person who gives the hope for people, who are in tragedy, who cannot think about future. You say, no, 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 we have to work hard. We have to go to next level. We have to increase our check. You give them hope. Leader always moves forward and never stops. You don't sleeps at one pin. Maybe supervisor level, you don't sleep. Marketing plan is a ladder, not a bed. So means you have to keep on moving up. Supervisor, world team, get team, mill team, president team, chairman, founder circle, like that. You keep on moving. Don't stop. Leader is always on the front line. You don't sit at the back. Lead by example. If you sit back, laid back attitude, you come late, you don't take any responsibility, then your entire team will follow you. They also don't take responsibility. Meaning by you lose out royalties, you lose out business. Be all the time front. Okay, leaders has his priority set up. He has a clear cut focus, clear cut plan. If you remember this saying, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Jim Rohn quote. So Jim Rohn says, if you don't have proper focus, that means you are actually planning for a failure. So focus is very important. So where is your focus? Where to go to next 90 days? Where you are fighting for? What you are fighting for? You are fighting for achieving the next level, achieving next check, big check, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs income, serving more people. Leaders, always fight for your car, your properties, and your balanced life, your family, taking them for vacation. Leaders knows classics, the foundation from where the company come up, right? We come from a very humble beginning. So understand from where we come. We shouldn't develop arrogance. We should develop pride. We always, yes, we feel proud of our Marcuse and Jim Rohn, but you shouldn't develop, become arrogant. So that's why you always go back to basics. Always look at the classics from where company started, how God lifted our company, how God helped Marcuse to make such a big company out of from nothing. Marcuse, we have to salute Marcuse and Jim Rohn, and we have to salute Jim Rohn and Marcuse because of him, because of these people. We all came here. So we have to understand about Jim Rohn and Marcuse. We have to read a lot about them. Leaders knows how to rest. So leaders should know how to lead a balanced life. They never should tell all the time business, business, business. Learn about how to balance, how to rest, how to family and friends and everything is important. You cannot say only business, business. You have to have 8 hours of sleep. You have to take in between breaks every 90 days. How to become a leader? Many people say people are not born. There is always cry, always controversy. Some say some are born leaders. Some say they are, they become leaders. But I feel, leader is blessed by God. So once they are blessed by God, so they naturally grow around and bless everybody. So the blessings flow from leader to the organization. Leaders gather together each year for top leadership events. So we all have to meet together, maybe in one dress code or maybe however you feel. Have a group picture. Always group picture talks about your power, our team strength. So go for team, entire team picture, group picture. You always should lead by example. Whenever company announces event, you should be the first one to take a ticket. So promote that event everywhere. That's how to become leader. You should put all these above into practice. So you cannot only just hear. I hear and forget. I see and remember. I do and I understand. If you do only, you understand. If you just hear, you forget it. If you see, you will remember for some time. But if you practice all these, then you will really understand the basic principles about. So this one, leadership concept. So this is all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. In this video, I try to give you Herbalife point of view leadership qualities, how to grow as a leader in terms of Herbalife. There are some more leadership videos are going to come now. Keep watching it. And if you like this video, please, say I like it. So like it and subscribe it and share to many people as much you can. And I also say that, if you don't have any Herbalife membership, we are here to help you. If you don't have any Herbalife, you did not join Herbalife at all, so you already have a coach, then please talk to him. They will guide you properly. Okay. So you to talk to us, to meet us, you can message us, you can mail us, you can meet me through Facebook or Instagram or YouTube channel. Gnanaraju is my name. So Gnanaraju. So everywhere with the same name, you can see it, YouTube channel or in Instagram, Coach Gnanaraju or Gnanaraju, Facebook, anywhere. My phone numbers are there. You can talk to you can call my secretary, +91 99949397573 is my secretary number, Pavani, 9949397573. So this number you can call, and you can give whatever, if suppose you want to join with us, or if you wanted to share this to anyone, whatever feedback, you can also mail us, you can message us. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.